Video teaching of drone operation. Outdoor flight. Find an open place outdoors to search for enough satellite signals. UAV pairing. Unfold the four arms of the drone, place the drone on a level ground, and turn on the power. Turn on the power of the remote control again. At this time, the remote control emits a D sound, indicating that the linking is successful. Gyro calibration operation. Place the drone in a horizontal position. Short press the gyro calibration button on the remote control. The drone's lights flashed quickly and slowly, and the remote control made a D sound, indicates that the calibration was successful. Calibrated geomagnetic operation. Short press the geomagnetic calibration button on the remote control. The remote control emits a D beep. Hold the drone in your hand, and slowly rotate it clockwise 3 times in the horizontal direction, and the remote control will make a D sound. Then the nose of the plane slowly rotates 3 times clockwise vertically downwards. The remote control emits a D sound to indicate that the calibration is successful. Search GPS signal. After the geomagnetic calibration is successful, the drone indicator light flashes quickly. Put the drone in a horizontal position for about 30 seconds. The indicator light of the drone changes from fast flashing to constant light, and the remote control emits a D sound. The red light on the back of the drone flashes and turns into a steady light, indicating that the satellite search is successful. At this time, long press the remote control unlock button to fly. Basic operation demonstration. Rise. Decline. Rotate left. Rotate right. Go ahead. Back. Fly left. Fly right. Click the 1-key return button to return home immediately. App operation demonstration. Scan the manual to download and install the drone app corresponding to the system. Then turn on the mobile phone Wi-Fi to connect to the signal sent by the drone. After the Wi-Fi connection is successful, open the UAV app and clip the phone to start flying. GPS Smart Follow. Keep a certain distance between the drone and the characters. Click the function menu on the app. Choose Smart Follow. Click on the human body to follow. The drone will follow you automatically at this time. GPS 1-key surround. Keep the drone about 10 meters high first. Click the function menu on the app. After entering, click the 1-key surround icon button. After setting the location, click the airplane icon at the top of the screen. At this time, the UAV performs a fixed point circle. GPS multi-point navigation. Click the function menu on the app. After entering, click the multi-point navigation icon button. Tap the screen to set the flight route. After setting, click the airplane icon at the top of the screen. The drone conducts multi-point navigation. Replace the fan blades. When installing new fan blades, pay attention to distinguish A/B fan blades. Unscrew the old fan blades. A bracket corresponds to A fan blade. B bracket corresponds to B fan blade. Fasten the screws and install the fan blades. Charging demo. When the battery is charging with the remote control, the red light is always on. When it is full, the red light goes out. Indoor flight. Press and hold the GPS button on the remote control for 3-5 seconds until the D beeps to indoor mode. The remote control lock button is unlocked, and the throttle can be raised to take off. Special statement. You must connect to GPS before taking off outdoors, otherwise, there will be no return home positioning function.